Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can restore deleted projects on CapCut PC. So go to menu and go back to homepage, and for instance you deleted your project accidentally. Wait, where did CapCut go? Did I just close it? Oh no, I didn't. Okay, sorry about that. For instance, I deleted like this project accidentally and I want to restore that. You can just simply go to the trash bin here. You'll have like up to 30 days to restore it, so just make sure it's not past 30 days. You can just select it here and press the restore button, which is this one. Do not press this one because it's going to delete, but it's going to warn you that you're going to delete it permanently, so just press restore and it's going to be back in your projects. And that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.